Hey, what's up, YouTubers? How you're doing? What's good? What's popping? Another day, another beauty. So this time around, we're gonna talk about something different. We're taking a quick review on another yet to release, should I say, another anticipated sneaker. So, but before then, if you're new, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I keep dropping new content almost every day. So to the sneakerheads out there, shout out to you guys. So today we're gonna talk about these. The Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. So yeah, but before we get down there, I'll try to make a quick review on the box. Well, this is said here, the Air Jordan 11 Retro, then the colorway, the black, multicolor, blah blah blah, stuff like that. And yeah, it's actually going for $220 for the retail price. So there it is. So talking about the box, it's not like your your normal Air Jordan 11 box whereby you just pull it up to open it, or you draw it from the side. No, this is kind of different, not like your random or your common stuff. So this time around, you just have to come to this side of the box, pull it up, the other side, then boom, you got your sneakers. And there, another interesting thing is the white paper inside with the metallic silver printed 1995, which is actually the year Air Jordan 11 first came out. Then the Jumpman logo of 2020, which is this particular year. So that's it for that. So going back to the sneaker itself, wow, I just want to make I just want to give a quick shout out to all the OG guys out there, keeping these things real as being so so tough and so real. But yeah, shout out to everyone out there. So first of all, let's take a look at these. This is just it, the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. So this is set to release on the 12th of December this particular year. So it's more like a tradition that before Christmas they try to smack us with a new stuff to kick the holiday. So this time around we're kicking these and going down to this. So let's do this. All right. So taking a look at these, you got this patent leather, material that is around the mid side of the shoe, which actually makes it look more glossy, shining, and brings out the uniqueness of this particular sneakers. So I just feel trying to make it like should I say, some kind of anniversary stuff. They try to put more effort, try to make this particular sneakers look more unique. With the material, the design, the fashion sense put into this is just so top. So when you look at the mid side of the shoe, you've got this mesh material, which is actually so amazing. Though we're kind of used to it already, but yeah, I just feel bringing this back is just so dope. And when you get to the back heel, the heel of the shoe, you got this silver metallic Jumpman, and at the back you got this 23 rating and should I say a rubberized metallic whatever. But yeah, this 23 is just so dope, not like your regular 23 stamp or logo that is around it. So the laces is another thing. When you take a look at the side of the laces, they try to put this letters to give the Jordan logo, or should I say the Jordan letters written on it, to bring out the fashion sense, to bring out the uniqueness in this particular sneakers. So going down to the midsole. The midsole is just, I feel it's kind of normal, not so that way, actually, not so that way, just normal. And the outsole, you got this milky color pattern, and everything about it is just so amazing. So I feel this particular sneaker is really worth it. Well, Air Jordan 11, $220. It's really worth it, and I feel you should have this in your collection. So let's take a look at the insole. The insole is actually another amazing thing about this particular sneakers, because it's not just oh, I dropped it, just the size tag, nothing much. So the insole is not just the regular or the normal kind of midsole. Like I said, the first Air Jordan 11 came out 1995, and this is 2020, right? So it's 25 years anniversary. So they try to put more and more details, more fashion sense, more uniqueness into this particular sneakers to make it look so dope. So taking a look at the insole, you got this Jumpman, and here you have this 25. at first I was thinking, what's this? What could this be? But after after cracking the brain and doing everything, I got to notice that it was 25, making it like the 25th anniversary for Jordan 11. Yeah, so that's it about this. And yeah, I feel everyone like personal, interest or whatever you think about it. Don't forget to like drop your thoughts or whatever you think about this in the comment section. And yeah, I've been enjoying this so far. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I keep dropping content every day. So yeah, that's it for this. And yeah, you know what? See you next time. Peace.